I'm going to show you how you can add and remove a password in PowerPoint. The first thing you'll do to add a password in PowerPoint is click on the File tab. Then you will click on the Info tab. Then you will click on Protect Presentation, and then down to Encrypt with Password. Then you will type a password twice. And then you click Save. I will close the presentation and reopen it. And it will be encrypted. I got to type my password now to open it. And now to remove that password, you just repeat the steps. Go to File, down to Info, Protect Presentation, Encrypt with Password, and if you're wanting to remove it, you will just put nothing for the password. I'll click OK, then I will click Save. I will close it and reopen, and there will no longer be a password. Now the password's gone. That's it. Thanks for watching.